Okay, we are here at the Westin at the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. Our suite number is 1402, and let's go take a tour. Alright, so first stop when we come in is a little kind of a kitchenette area. Got the coffee maker, a little sink, a little refrigerator. Sink area. Then we have the suite area over here. Nice long desk. We have like a little living room area with a chair. Got a couch, which is also a fold-out bed. Coffee table. Alcove area over there. Nice large big screen TV and a hutch. It's like a just storage area there. And then over here is the bedroom area. King size bed, nightstands, small closet over there. Another large screen television. Looks like another dresser here. Here we go. Use that for putting clothes in or whatever. And we've got the bathroom here. Sink area, very nice and updated. Toilet and bathtub. And also a nice big walk-in shower. Very nice, very nice. Let's see what kind of view we have here. Looks like a view, you can see Dallas off in the distance. And the city here is Irving, Texas. Nice view. And this is it for the suite. Very nice. Okay, this is an example of a standard room. Okay, as you come in, you have a nice bathroom area here. Bathtub, nice shower head. In the main part of the room, we have a dresser with a large screen TV. There's a connecting door for adjoining rooms. This room is one with a king-size bed. Of course, nightstands on either side. A chair in the corner with a little table where you could read and relax. Nice desk area with a coffee maker. And then the view over here is of the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. And that is it for the standard room. Okay, this is another standard room. Same amenities, the nice vanity in the bathroom, toilet area, bathtub and shower. And here we have the closet with the room safe. And this room features 2 queen-size beds. This is a upgrade after the renovation. These were formerly 2 double-sized beds, but now they're 2 queen-size beds. Very nice. Entertainment center with a large screen TV. And of course the desk area with the coffee maker. In this room, because there is the 2 beds, there is no chair, there's not enough room. There is a adjoining door. And we're on the other side of the hotel. So here we have a view of the city of Irving, and way off in the distance you can see the skyline of Dallas. And that is it for the standard room with 2 queen-size beds. Okay, this is going to be the presidential suite. First come in, there's a bathroom here. It's more like a half bath, just a toilet and a sink. Very nice. Small closet. Over here we have a small kitchenette type area, coffee maker, refrigerator, sink. Over here we have a nice big dining table. Here is the living room area with the fold-out couch, large screen TV, and then over on this side we have a desk. Over here is the bedroom. Here's another closet. Over here we have the king-size bed, chair in the corner, actually 2 chairs, with a table in between. And again, the big screen TV with the dresser in front of it. And in here we have a very large bathroom suite, which is also ADA compliant. You can see the shower has a low threshold. The bathtub also has a low side to it. Very nice. Vanity area. And again, this is ADA compliant, as well as being the presidential suite. And the view from this side of the hotel is, once again, the city of Irving and Dallas off in the distance. And that is it for the presidential suite.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car.